and the lights are shining brighter now. We're standing on the edge of a dream tonight. You are the best singer in the whole village. You have to go on the show. Congratulations!
We did it, Mama! We did it!
What about this part here, Mama? You could add the harmony line there.
That's a lovely idea, sweetie.
Mama, look at this microphone. It's perfect for your performance. Oh, sweetie. And this gal... When shadows fall, I'll be your guiding light. Forever near, holding you tight. This is the moment we were meant to shine.
The emotional authenticity and touching delivery of the maternal love theme was truly impressive.
And vocal quality. First place to Mama White Cat.